Apple has announced the iPhone Air, a new addition to its smartphone lineup that pushes the limits of thinness and performance. The device measures just 5.64mm thick and weighs 165 g, making it the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever produced. The front and back panels are protected by Ceramic Shield 2 for improved scratch resistance and glare reduction. The iPhone Air is available in 4 colors: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. It features a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. The screen supports promotion with adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, peak outdoor brightness of 3000 nits. The iPhone Air with the new A19 Pro chip, which features a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The device also includes the N1 chip for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread connectivity, and the C1X modem. The rear camera system features a 48MP Fusion main camera with support for 28mm and 35mm focal lengths and a 2x telephoto lens. It uses a quad-pixel sensor with sensor shift OIS and an updated photonic engine. The front camera uses an 18MP. The device supports fast charging up to 50% in 30 minutes with a 20W. Pricing starts at $999 for the 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.